So sometimes you don't have the time to go to the salon to do a proper pony. You just had your hair permed and you don't want to go through the stress of sewing in and all that. You just want something you clip in and then clip off when you are done for the day. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How you doing today? Thanks for watching my videos, my previous videos, and coming back here to watch this one. I'm very grateful. So this evening I want to quickly show you how to use our clip-on pony. So sometimes you don't have the time to go to the salon to do a proper pony. You just had your hair permed and you don't want to go through the stress of sewing in and all that. You just want something you clip in and then clip off when you are done for the day. So this is our clip-in pony. This is the straight 20 inches. We have it in different lengths. We also have the wavy and the deep wave. So I'm going to show you how I use it, how easy it is. So this is it. This is the clip that you're going to be attaching to your hair, and then this is what you're going to be wrapping around your hair. So just watch me as I do it. Okay, so first of all, you have to properly comb your hair flat. You can use a very small comb. Your hair has to be permed, or even if it's not newly permed, maybe like a month old perm, so that it's flat. You can also use a gel, but I don't really like using gel for my own. So this is how I do it. I don't have a mirror here, so I guess you're going to be my mirror. So you comb it so it's very flat. You comb it very, very flat. So it depends. You can have a high pony or a low one. So it depends on what you want. But this evening, I feel like doing a low pony. So usually you're supposed to use a black rubber band. A black one is better. But I don't have one right now, and I really need to show you this. So I'm going to be using this one. So you see how my hair is really flat. So you hold your hair. So that's it. Then now it's time to attach your pony. It's time to attach your pony. Like I said, the pony, the comb that you use to clip into your hair. So watch me now. Can you see? So it goes right inside. It goes right inside. So then you close it up. I've closed it up. So you take that strand that I initially showed you and you wrap it around. Wrap it around. And voila. There you have it. Very simple. Very easy to use. So if you have all those really fancy hair ruffles, you can just use it to put over this band if you want to. It's not necessary, but that's just all you need to do. guys, thanks for watching. I hope you buy this from us. We have it in different lengths. It's available on pre-order at the moment, but it will be available in stock in March, first week in March. But right now you can pre-order. Pre-order takes 2 weeks and then you have it. You can also color it if you want. Thank you guys. Bye.